Hello, my name is Ziggy. Welcome to my planet, Zorg. Let's meet my friends. This is Zappy. He is always happy. Look, these aliens are called Zillions. They are always hungry. This is my sister, Zally. She is always noisy. These are my brothers, Zing, Zang, and Zong. We are always quiet and sleepy. Sometimes I fly in my flying saucer. I am very fast. How about you? Which of these are true about you?
You are happy. You are quiet. You are noisy. You are fast. You are sleepy. You are hungry.
It was fun talking to you. Now I am sleepy. Good night.